The National Human Rights Commission and the National Agency for the Control of HIV and AIDS have signed a memorandum of understanding on integration of human rights into national responses.
The National Human Rights Commission is today pledging its mandate towards strengthening efforts in ensuring that human rights are integrated as a bulwark for effective and people-centered implementation of national responses to HIV and AIDS and the COVID-19 pandemics.
He therefore craved the continued support of UNAIDS, the UN family, and other development partners to achieve set targets.
As we count down to the 2030 common goal of a world without HIV and AIDS, and with less than 5 years of reaching associated targets, it is important that we recognize the place of human rights in achieving these objectives. A right-based approach does not only integrate human rights into development planning and implementation, it encourages debates, participation, and ownership. It promotes accountability in resource mobilization, program implementation, monitoring and evaluation, and it brings to the fore key human development concepts such as addressing gender and other forms of inequalities and promoting human dignity. This is the right approach we need to adopt, and this moment of our final lap to a world free of HIV and AIDS and to a world poised to fight and free its populations from the scourge of COVID-19 pandemic.
Director General of NACA, Dr. Gambo Aliyu, commended the partnership.
Going forward, I cannot think of a better time. I cannot think of a better time to mainstream human rights issues, to mainstream fight against stigma and discrimination, to mainstream gender-based violence issues into our national response than now. This is the time, because this is the time we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I think this initiative is highly timely. I thank UNAIDS for thinking about this and bringing the two agencies together.
The executive director of UNAIDS expressed joy at the initiative.
Our approach to health, we want to make it more human rights focused, and that's why we must work together. That's why I was happy to witness an agreement between NACA and Nigeria Human Rights Commission to work together to end HIV/AIDS. You can't end AIDS without human rights. That's what they were saying. So I salute you. I'm proud of what you've done.
UNDP representative also lent his voice to the good work.
We're very proud in the partnership we have with the Commission. We see this as a key role for this country to move forward to achieve the ambition the country has. Human rights is a foundation.